We did a lot of training before the sparring, intense secret training that I do for my punching. To see that, stick to the end of the video, guys.
If you guys haven't seen part one, click on the link above because we're not gonna repeat the exercises we did on the first day. We're gonna skip right through just jabs and hooks en low kicks. Dus we gaan alleen jabben zoals volgende keer. We mogen ook hoeken en... Dus alleen links.
Ga weer spannen.
Ja, alleen links en alleen links. Ja, alleen links en alleen links. Alleen links en rechts. Oké, dus alleen hier met links.
Basically, we are only allowed to use our left hand and our right low kick, both of us. In the previous video, part 1, we were only allowed to use the left hand, period, nothing else, only jabs. Which Klaus has never done this kind of sparring with low kicks before. Basically, we're only adding the low kick now.
Hij stompen op de buik.
Buik en hoofd.
So 1 minute rounds?
Yeah, you familiar?
Yeah.
Okay, can you stop again? Nee, gewoon trappen. Ik kan het wel hebben, gewoon in de benen.
Ik kan het niet hebben.
Ja, I know. Ik hou niet hard. Nice. Wel lekker, hè? Nee, kom maar. Kom op.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time.
We're gonna do the last round with just punches because of that check. He's kind of feeling it. We're just gonna do punches for the last round. Left hand, high, low, and hooks. Okay? Ready? 1 minute, go.
Go.
Stoten links. Doe met left back, hè?
Gaat bijna weer dat enkel.
Nice.
Don't hesitate, gewoon gooien. Nice. Nice. De eerste. Good job.
Ja,
Je hebt 1 keer gebruikt.
Ja, bijna. Bijna, kom op. Nog 10, 9, 8, kom op, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, kom op, 2, 1, time.
One of my secret exercises that I normally do in the middle of the morning, they're not so secret anymore because I'm teaching Klaus, therefore I'm going to share it with you guys. Click on the link above to watch a full tutorial on this exercise. Klaus also did that exercise before the sparring, and he also did more weight training, which you will see right here. He did these. We also did quite a bit of stretching, splits and all that, even though we didn't really throw high kicks. So this is the reason why he was already exhausted and didn't even know he was going to spar when I told him we're sparring. He thought we were just going to do a little bit of punching and this and that, but no, we were going to spar. Till the next video, guys. Catch you later.